Okay, so what we have done, we just save this content. So what I have done is actually I have saved this. So if you need the code again, here's the code again. I want to code again. If you need that code, so what I did is I typed this code in a notepad. A notepad එකක් වගේ එකක මගේ notepad නෙවෙයි තියෙන්නේ. I'm using brackets. So I'm using brackets. This is not notepad. So your notepad will not have numbers. ඔයාලගේ එකේ numbers නැතුව notepad එක open වෙයි. නිකන් normal notepad එකක්. So something like this here. Notepad. Not like this, sorry. Not even this. Simulation. No. Notepad Windows. Yes, onwards I can see that. Run in Windows. Start. You can see my Windows 10 emulator. It will take some time to load, right? So it doesn't matter. What you have to do is you have to type this. Type this in Notepad and then run it. So before run it, you have to save that as any name. You can give your name .html. I have saved in the desktop because it's easy to me to find that place. Okay, this is your Windows emulator. I'm not sure whether it will work properly. If so, I'll show you if it is working. Otherwise, just don't think much about that and save this like this. Okay, what we are going to now do now. We are going to add a background color. That can be done by adding BGCOLOR and then give the color name. Let's give blue. Body space. After body, put a space and then type BG color blue. To do that, actually, again, you have to open that using your notepad. ආයෙත් එක notepad එකෙන් open කරලා ඔයාට එක කරන්න පුළුවන්. Here the Windows simulation is there, but it's not properly working. It's not properly working, sorry. So let's shift to your screen. That is easier for me. So, okay, can any one of you share the screen? Denori, can you share the screen? Denori, can you share the screen?
So it is disabled.
No, it's given now. Okay. So he's using a black color theme. So others can see what he's done. So here, what you have to do, Basuru, go to the body section. Body කියන තැනට යන්න. තව එකක් ඉස්සරහට යන්න. Please go one more. No, අනිත් පැත්තට. Use your left arrow to go back. Left arrow again. Space. There put a space. Then type BG color without any spaces. BG color. COLOR. Equal sign. Equal mark. සමාන ලකුණ. ඔය මොකක්ද? ඉරි කැලිය එපා වෙන සමාන ලකුණ. Within quotation open karanna, open the quotation, double quotation or single quotation, anything. Inside the quotation dala eke athule liyanna. The problem is that you cannot remember the keyboard neda. Then ඔය අහු වෙනවා හොර
Yes.
වැඩ. Keyboard එකේ keys මතක නැහැ. What is quotation?
Sir, I'm a student.
ඒත් හයේදීවා කරලා තියෙන්න ඕන පුතේ keyboard එකේ keys මතක කමන්නේ. So then that's why I said that please come to both classes, grade 6 and 7, right? If you missed that, so please come to 6 and 7. Okay, quotation means this one. So let me control your screen now. Have you given the control? Okay, this is quotation. අර මොකටද පල්ලෙන් p අකුරට පල්ලෙන් තියෙන්නේ දකුණු අත පැත්තේ curly brace එකට යටින්. With the shift key you have to press that, then you can give a color. Maybe let's give blue color. Now go to file, save as. Now select your desktop. Yes, then you can type basuru.html and all text documents කියලා තියෙන එක දාන්න all කියලා. Yes, go there, click and select all files. It is basuru.html, all files, and save it. Yes. Now minimize this, don't close it, minimize it. Just minimize it and go to your desktop and double click on that file. That is maximizing, just minimize. Go to your desktop and double click on that file. Yes, basuru.html. Yes, that one. Yeah, just double click there and you can see welcome to my website, but the color is missing. Can you go back to the notepad again?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in my one is my page content there is.
BG color equal body. BGCOLOR is blue. That is correct. Body BG. No, not COLOUR. No, not
Excuse me, sir. Will it work if you put a hex number? Hex
yes,
color
you can
number?
use the hexadecimal code also. Basur, give me a second. So let's try to use a hexadecimal code. But others can just give the color name, right? I'm just giving hash red, green, blue. Then now save it and see. Sometimes no need to save as, just save it, because first time you save as, the second time you can save. Yeah, now you can open and see. No, the still color is not visible in your computer. Maybe something wrong. So can you open this with Google Chrome if you have it? Right click on the file, just close it. Close kara. Right click kala open karana balana Google Chrome making. Microsoft Edge again open karan. Yes, open it Google Microsoft Edge. Yes, because of the theme, I think Pute. The theme that you have used, that is like added there, and that is like giving some different color. So I think that is the issue. But usually you should see this. Let me show this by changing. Others can try this. Here, body BG color blue. If I save this and if I open this again, now you should see the blue color background. If you need the code, here's the code again. If anyone need the code, this is it. Right? This is how you change the color. And there are many tags, many other tags that you can apply, which are there in the book. Can you see them? Center align, change in the heading sizes, italic, font color, background color, BG color, background color. And here body BG color gold, it's given, right? Paragraph and a background image. Likewise, we can add many other elements to the HTML page. Let's see them one by one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some headings now. There are 6 heading styles. So I'm going to edit this section. H1 is the first heading style. This is style maybe main heading or heading, let's say heading 1. Similar to that, there are some more headings, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. These are heading styles. These are heading styles. Okay, if you need the code again, I'm sending the copy paste again. So you can just copy paste the code and see. So now you should see different headings. When you go to the web page and reload or open it again, you can see the heading sizes, different heading sizes. The smallest is heading 6 and the largest is heading 1. Heading 1 is the largest, last heading is the smallest. And if you want to make them center, you have to instruct the computer to center it. Everything should be given with tags. Center tag එක දාලා මෙතනින් පටන් ගෙන ඉවර වෙනකොට center tag එක ඉවර කරන්න. Then whatever in the middle will be aligned to the center. Here center tag open, center tag close. Inside that the heading tags. Then all the headings will be aligned center. You can give any color, blue if you don't like blue, maroon, green, white, gray, silver. You can give any color that you like, or you can give the color code also. Okay, let's try these things now. Here I'm sending the code again. In case if you miss, you can refer to the copy paste. So shall we do this now? Okay, you can do this in your computer, Pute. If you cannot do this, please share the screen. I'll help you again. දැන් කාට හරි කරගන්න බැරි වුණා නම් තාම මොකුත්ම. එහෙම ඉන්න පුළුවන්. අලුත් වෙලා අලුත් එක්කෙනෙක් හරි නැත්නම් අමතක වෙලා හරි ඇහෙන්නේ නැතුව හරි සිග්නල් නැතුව හරි මොනවත්ම කරගන්න බැරි වුණා කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවද? Yes, Desandi, you can share. So please let Desandi to share the screen. Desandi, you can share the screen. Okay, we can see your one. පුතේ මෙතන quotation එකේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙන්නේ. quotation එක වැරදි. පොඩක් ඉන්න මම ඔයාගේ remote මම ඉල්ලන්න මට remote එක දෙන්න. Then I'll correct that code. හරි නේද? මෙතන ඔයා double quotation මේ single quotation තුනක් දාන්න එපා. එකක් දෙන්නම ඇති. හරි single quotation එක shift එකත් එක්ක ගැහුවම තමයි double quotation එක වදින්නේ. ඔයාට ඕන නම් double quotation නැතු single quotation තනි කැමාව දැම්මත් ඇති. COLOR, right? අනිත් ඒවා හරිනේ HTML head title head open head close body BG color. Okay. Now you can save file. කොහොමද පුතේ කලින් save කරේ? file menu එකට ගිහිල්ලා save as, yes. ඒකේ වා දෙන්න desandi.html කියලා දෙන්න ඕන. .html. txt කියලා තමයි save කරලා තියෙන්නේ. html. හතරම දුන්නාද? html කියලා තමයි save වෙන්න ඕන පුතේ. හරි මෙතන අර save as type එක දාන්න. save as type එක දාන්න all files. හරි. එතකොට තමයි හරි ඒක. දැන් යන්නකො බලන්න desktop එකට. desktop එකට යන්න මට පෙන්නන්න නැතුවේ desktop එක. So ඔයාලට පුළුවන් ද පුතේ මේ මුළු screen එකම share කරන්න. Can you share the entire screen?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Otherwise I cannot see that desktop, that's why. නෑ එතනින් බලන්න එතනින් පේන්නේ නැති වෙයි. මොකද මට ඔයාගෙන් share වෙලා තියෙන්නේ මේක විතරයි stop කරලා ආයේ. Can you stop sharing? Stop කරලා ඔයාට option එකක් තියෙනවා screen කියලා share කරන්න. window එකක් share කරන්න screen කියලා option එකක් තියෙනවා. හරි දැන් double click කරන්න. ඒ file එක.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
ඒක
I'm
නෙමෙයි
also,
පල්ලෙයද? ඔව් පුතේ කියන්නේ.
sir, I changed my theme next work that.
You change your theme and it's working. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Double click on that file දෙසන්දි මම අර අන්තිමට දැම්මේ හරියට දැන් මේක double click කරා. හරි නේද? open වුණා නේද? Is it open දෙසන්දි?
Yes, sir.
Again I cannot see that. ඒ පාර මම හිතන්නේ වෙන window එකක් share කරලා තියෙන. හරි කමන්නේ. You can see, I think you can see that it's working, right? window එකකින් window එක මාරු කරලා share කරන කමන්නේ. එහෙම ඕනේ නැහැ පුතේ. උතන option එකක් තියෙනවා screen share කරනකොට කෙලින්ම මුළු desktop එකම select කරන්න. screen කියලා තියෙනවා window එකක් select කරන්න නැතුව. එතකොට ඔක්කොම පේනවා. නැත්තම් ඔයාලට වෙන වෙනම share කරන්න වෙනවා screen එකෙන් screen එක. Right? Okay. Now you can see do the other things, right? අනිත් ඒවා කරනකොට ඔයා save as කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. You can just copy and paste this code. Right? You can copy and paste this code. Desandi and others. When you are doing next thing, you can copy and paste this code again and just save it. I save as karan මොකුත් ඕනේ save කරන්න. And then you can open that HTML document. Okay. For this week, I expect you to try this. If possible, try other things also. පොතේ තියනවනේ අනිත් ඒවා try කරලා ඉන්න. It doesn't matter if you cannot do it. කරගන්න බැරි වුණාට කමක් නැහැ. ඒ වුණාට try කරලා එන්න කරන්න අනිත් codes වලිනුත් මොනවාද වෙන්නේ කියලා. අපි ඊළඟ සතියේ තව විස්තර ඇතුව අද එච්චර ලොකු වෙලාවක් ගන්න බැරි වුණානේ අපිට HTML කතා කරන්න. Because we had to discuss about that bloggers and all. It took some more time. Therefore, we couldn't discuss more about this now. Next day, we'll discuss more about HTML. හරි. අපි මම ඊළඟ දවසේ හැමෝටම දෙන්න chance එක. ඒ වගේම share කරන්න බැරි වුණ කට්ටිය ඉන්නවනම් if anyone couldn't share the screen, so you can share the screen, don't worry. So that is the best way of learning. ඒක තමයි අපි මේ online class එකේ ගන්න ලොකුම advantage එක. So remember that, because other classes you just watch what teacher is doing. Right? Most of the classes online, you just watch what teacher is doing in the board. But here we don't want that. We want to collaboratively work. We want to work together for an output. Right? That's why I'm giving time to you to show your desktop or share your screen. So take the maximum advantage of that. That is the beneficial part of the class. එහෙනම් බය නැතුව screen එක share කරන්න කිව්වම, because I'm asking you to share, not to scold you. I'm asking you to share because I can help you and guide you to correct that. Okay, then Pute, let's meet next day with the next set of HTML codes. Don't miss next day class, because that is very important, because we are going to learn more about HTML next day.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then good night. See you all next week.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir. See you next week.
See you all.